How to make money on Zencoin crypto airdrop. How you can make money on Zencoin crypto airdrop. With the rise of cryptocurrencies, one of the easiest and most exciting ways to earn free tokens is through airdrop projects of crypto. In this video, I will focus on how to make money from Zencoin crypto airdrop, a simple but powerful way to kickstart your journey in the world of digital currencies. Whether you are new to airdrops or a seasoned crypto enthusiast, you'll find this guide helpful. I will break down what the Zencoin airdrop is, how to participate, and how to maximize your earnings. Please like this video. What is Zencoin? Zencoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency designed to offer fast, secure, and low-cost transactions on the blockchain. It is rapidly gaining popularity due to its unique features and strong community support. To encourage more users to adopt its platform, Zencoin is offering an airdrop of its native tokens known as Zen. Participating in the Zencoin airdrop allows users to receive free Zen tokens by completing simple tasks. These tokens can later be used for transactions, trading, or even staking, depending on how Zencoin evolves. What is a crypto airdrop? Before diving into the Zencoin airdrop, it's important to understand what a crypto airdrop is. A crypto airdrop is a marketing campaign where a cryptocurrency project distributes free tokens to users in exchange for completing specific tasks like signing up on their platform, joining their community, or holding certain tokens in your wallet. Airdrops help projects build awareness, attract more users, and create a buzz in the crypto space. For participants, airdrops offer a unique chance to collect tokens for free, which can sometimes grow significantly in value over time. Please like this video, and you are on to Dr. Olubengadetun TV. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and also offline. Now, how do you participate in the Zencoin airdrop project? Follow the steps below to make money from Zencoin app airdrop. Number 1 is to create a Zencoin wallet. To get started, you need a Zencoin wallet. Visit the official Zencoin website to create your wallet or use a multi-crypto wallet that supports Zen tokens. Now, talking about Zencoin crypto airdrop, you need to take part in the airdrop game. There are things that you need to do. There are tasks to be done on the airdrop, and it is all these tasks that make it generate points. With these points, you are allocated tokens, which is the Zen, which is the Zen coin, based on the tasks that you do and based on the time when they list. So to join that, the airdrop where you are going to earn the points and be able to convert it to crypto later when they list in a few months time, in 1 month or 2 months time, go to the description section of this video. You see Zencoin there among the listed, and then you can click it. There are other crypto apps also I've listed in the description section of this video. Go there and click it to join, and that is the start of the journey. The next thing you need to do is to complete the required tasks. For the Zencoin airdrop, you need to complete a series of tasks to qualify for the free token distribution. These tasks may include signing up on the Zencoin platform, following Zencoin social media channels, e.g. you follow Zencoin on Telegram, you follow them on Twitter, follow them on Discord, follow them even on Facebook and on other social media. They may also give you other tasks to do, which may involve following other people also. Now, the next thing to do is to share information about Zencoin on your social media. That all these tasks are going to earn you points. There's no task that is compulsory on crypto airdrop like this one. But when you do certain tasks that you're asked to do, you get some good points that will make you to earn more. So you can also invite your friends. So the more people you invite using your referral link, the more the bonus or the opportunities that you have. Now let's talk about referral bonuses. Some airdrops like Zencoin provide referral bonuses. Invite friends or other crypto enthusiasts using your referral link, and you could earn additional Zen tokens for each person who successfully participates in the airdrop project. Then holding tokens for airdrop snapshots. Some crypto projects like take a snapshot of wallets holding specific tokens. If Zencoin requires you to hold tokens like Ethereum or Bitcoin or Ton is common. So you have the Ton wallet, you can create your own Ton wallet, download Ton Keeper online, and then from there you have your Ton wallet. Or you can go ahead to have your Ton wallet from my Ton wallet or my wallet. All these are different options. The important thing is for you to have a Ton wallet or to have the other mode of payment that they prefer. So currently they've not said the best mode they prefer, but with time they are going to mention. Now Zencoin allows you to link the Zencoin to your Ton keeper, where they are going to pay or where transactions are going to take place in. Now all these are necessary for you to qualify. In one of the crypto airdrop projects that was completed recently, specifically I'm talking about Hamster Combat, many people linked their wallet, while many people also did not link their wallets to the app, to the Hamster Combat. Hamster Combat have mentioned that those who did not list, that they are still going to get paid. So they'll be given the opportunity to list even after the listing of Hamster Combat. Then the next thing you need to do to earn more on Zencoin is to engage with the community. You need to stay active in the Zencoin community by participating in discussions, retweeting announcements, or joining contests. Some airdrops reward users who stay engaged in the project over time. The next thing you need to do is to receive your free Zen tokens. After completing the required tasks, you receive your Zen tokens when the airdrop is distributed. The timing of the token distribution depends on the airdrop campaign, so make sure to follow updates from Zencoin. So currently Zencoin is on, but they've not told us the date they are going to list, so we just have to keep on keeping on. Please like this video. Now, how to make money with Zen tokens. Once you receive your Zen tokens, there are a few ways you can make money from them. The first way is to hold the token you are given for value appreciation. That means the token you are given, you keep it until it appreciates in value. Let's assume that what you're given is currently sold for $0.1. Maybe 1 Zen is for $0.1. You wait until 1 Zen maybe becomes $2 or $3 or $4 or even more. I tell people that when Bitcoin started, it was less than $1 and it was just a few cents. Today, Bitcoin is in the range of thousands of dollars. The next thing you need to do is to trade your tokens. So you can trade your tokens and then you get opportunity to receive your money in your local currency through P2P. Or you can use it to buy some things online if you do not want to withdraw. Now, you can also stake Zen tokens. Depending on the Zen coin project's roadmap, you may have the opportunity to stake your Zen tokens. Staking involves locking up your tokens in the blockchain network in exchange for rewards, which can be a profitable way to earn more tokens over time. Then you have to participate in future airdrops. Most of these crypto airdrops, after one airdrop that they do another one just to create more awareness. So sometimes holding certain tokens like Zen qualifies you for future airdrops from related projects. Keep an eye on Zencoin's announcements, as they may offer more rewards to loyal token holders. So in the description section of this video, I have many other crypto airdrops that you can participate in. So feel free to click on each of them one after the other, and then you'll be glad you did. Please like this video. Now, how do you maximize your airdrop earnings? The first thing you need to do is to stay informed, because if you're not informed, you'll be deformed. If you're not in the know, you cannot be in the flow. And if you are just staying like that without information, you will not know what is going on. So you have to stay informed to know what is going on. Then invite more friends. When you invite more friends, you get more points, more tokens. Then complete all tasks. The tasks you're given on the app, try to complete them so that you can be able to earn more. Then look for exchange listings. Keep an eye on when Zen tokens are listed on exchanges so you can sell or trade them at the right time for maximum profit. Participating in the Zencoin crypto airdrop is a great way to earn free cryptocurrency with minimal effort. It is not just to earn cryptocurrency, it is also to earn money in your local currency, because this cryptocurrency can be sold while you earn in your local currency and you spend. By completing simple tasks and staying engaged with the project, you can accumulate Zen tokens, which may increase in value over time. Whether you choose to hold, trade, or stake your tokens, the Zencoin airdrop offers a fantastic opportunity to grow your crypto portfolio. My name is Dr. Olugbenga, and on this channel I bring you information on how to make money online and offline. This is the one for today on Zencoin and on crypto airdrop. Please make good use of this opportunity. If you have any questions or comments for me, drop it in the comment section below and I'll be there to respond within 24 hours. This video popping up by the side is the next video is to see. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.